911, what's your emergency?
Every season, athletes step onto the field knowing that football is a game of collisions. The hits are celebrated, the impacts are replayed, and for generations, they've been accepted as part of the sport. But behind every highlight reel is a reality we cannot ignore. A single impact can change a life forever.
Community in Alabama is mourning the loss of a high school quarterback who suffered an injury during a game on Friday night.
The statistics tell one story. The families affected tell another. And despite decades of advancement in equipment, one of the most vulnerable areas of the athlete remains exposed to tremendous forces with every collision. Football has evolved. The athletes have evolved. The speed of the game has evolved. Yet the way we protect the head and neck has remained largely unchanged. That reality inspired a question. What if impact could be managed differently? What if there was a way to help reduce dangerous motion during collision while allowing the athlete to compete freely? What if the athlete could have access to another layer of protection without changing the game they love? That question became an idea. That idea became years of design, development, refinement, and determination. Because the future of football shouldn't be measured only by performance, but by the protection. Today, this idea is called the TriAxis protection system. Built for impact, designed for protection. The TriAxis protection system represents a new approach to head and neck protection, a system designed to help manage force during impact while working with the equipment athletes already wear, not to change the game, not to limit the performance, but to help protect the people who play it. But this story isn't finished, because innovation only matters when people are willing to listen, when coaches ask questions, when athletic departments explore new possibilities, when schools, organizations, parents, and communities demand better protection for the athletes they serve. Every season, young athletes step onto the field. Many will walk away without injury, some won't. And when potential solutions exist, doing nothing is no longer enough.